Welcome to Governor Bill and Vara Daniel Prairie View University Farm, where learning takes place outside the classroom. Located just outside Houston, Texas, Prairie View University Farm is a 770-plus acre research farm that provides hands-on learning opportunities for students, researchers, extension and visitors alike.
If you look to your left, you will see our combine tractor. A combine tractor is a machine designed to harvest a variety of grain crops on the farm. We are now approaching our first stop on our tour, the tractor barn, where the heart of agriculture beats strong. This is the place where the backbone of farming is kept, the tractors. You'll see tractors of all sizes and shapes, from the small and nimble utility tractors to the massive combines used to harvest crops. Every machine has a specific purpose and plays a critical role in the success of the farm.
As we leave the tractor barn, please look to your right where you will see our experimental research plots. The plots serve as a demonstration site where farmers, researchers and students can observe the performance of different fertilizers, treatments, and techniques under controlled conditions. If you look to your left, you will see our cow pasture, a tranquil setting where the gentle creatures of the field roam and graze. This pasture provides a natural and healthy environment for the cows to live in. It's a place where they can be themselves and exhibit their natural behaviors, such as grazing, socializing with other cows, and enjoying the open space. Each cow has its own unique personality and is a cherished member of the herd. They are well cared for by dedicated farmers who provide them with fresh water, food, and shelter. Coming up, you will see Smart Climate Research Plots, a project aimed at improving crop productivity and resilience to climate variability. The aim of this project is to study the effects of changing climate on crop yields and to identify new practices that can help farmers adapt to these changes. As you can see, the Smart Climate Research Plots consist of several small plots, each with its own set of sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and other environmental factors. The sensors are connected to a network of weather stations and data loggers, allowing us to collect and analyze real-time data on climate conditions. The data we collect from the Smart Climate Research Plots is analyzed using state-of-the-art models and statistical techniques. This allows us to identify patterns and trends in the data, and to make predictions about future climate conditions.
Coming up on our right, our hoop houses. This is where farmers are using innovative techniques to grow crops all year round. Hoop houses are simple structures made of metal hoops and plastic sheeting. They are designed to trap heat and provide protection from the elements, allowing farmers to extend their growing season and produce crops in colder months. Hoop houses are just one example of how farmers are adapting to changing climates and utilizing technology to produce crops sustainably. By using hoop houses, farmers can reduce their dependence on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, while also conserving water and energy.
Coming up on our right you will see our farmer with his tractor and tools, as he prepares the land for planting. The first step in preparing a field is plowing. Using a plow attachment on his tractor, the farmer turns over the soil, breaking up any compacted areas and creating a fresh bed for planting. As he works, the farmer carefully watches for any signs of soil erosion or nutrient deficiencies, making sure to address these issues before planting. Throughout the growing season, the farmer keeps a close eye on the field, monitoring for signs of disease, pests, or other issues that could harm the crops. As we continue, look to your right, you will see our sweet potato field. Coming up next to our left is our wild blackberry field. Texas is home to many wild and wonderful plants, including the native blackberry. This delicious fruit is a favorite of many Texans, and it grows abundantly throughout the state. Blackberry bushes are easy to grow, and they thrive in Texas' hot, humid climate. They require little maintenance beyond regular pruning to promote healthy growth. The next field you will see coming up on our left is our organic strawberry production. Researchers have been studying the differences between conventionally grown and organic strawberries. Organic strawberry farmers use sustainable practices that avoid the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, allowing them to produce high-quality fruit that is safe for both the environment and consumers. We will now head to our greenhouse.
Welcome to our greenhouse where the beauty and science of nature come together. This is a place where plants thrive and flourish, no matter the season. The greenhouse is more than just a place to grow plants, it's a marvel of science and engineering. Every detail, from the temperature and humidity controls to the specialized lighting systems, is carefully designed to create the perfect environment for plants to grow. To our right is our hemp research greenhouse. This state-of-the-art greenhouse is dedicated to the study of hemp, a versatile plant that has gained increasing attention in recent years. Researchers are exploring the potential uses of hemp, which can be used for everything from textiles to building materials, to food products and supplements. In this greenhouse, researchers are studying the optimal conditions for growing hemp, including the best lighting, temperature, and nutrient levels. Our next greenhouse is used to grow medical plants. This greenhouse is dedicated to growing a wide variety of plants that have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Researchers in this greenhouse are studying these plants to better understand their medicinal properties and how they can be used to treat various health conditions. As more and more people seek out natural and alternative therapies for their health concerns, research on medical plants will be critical to developing new treatments and improving existing ones. If you would like to see an inside tour, watch our other VR videos. As we leave the greenhouse, the next stop will be our cattle chute.
Look to our right, you will see our greenhouse utility sheds. These are used for storing equipment and supplies needed for maintaining a greenhouse. This includes items like fertilizers, pesticides, gardening tools, watering cans, and potting soil. In addition to storage, a greenhouse utility shed can provide a space for gardeners to work on small projects or repairs. It can also serve as a workspace for transplanting and potting plants. Overall, a greenhouse utility shed is a versatile addition to any greenhouse setup, providing storage space and a functional workspace for gardeners.